We're beginning our coverage with a shocking incident of animal cruelty that has raged the entire nation. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar has also promised stern action against those who are involved in the killing of a pregnant elephant in Kerala's Palakkad district. The pregnant elephant died standing in water last Wednesday after she ate a pineapple that was filled with firecrackers. Officials say that there seems to be no evidence whatsoever to support the claim that somebody has deliberately given a cracker laden with pineapple to the elephant, but the investigation is currently underway. Pineapples with country-made crackers, an illegal practice, are usually used by locals to protect their fields against wild boars. The incident came to light after a junior level officer posted a note of this incident on his Facebook page. Former Union Minister and animal rights activist Maneka Gandhi sought action against top officials and an answer from Rahul Gandhi, who is a Congress MP from Wayanad.
We have interrogated some people. Some of them are credible suspects. So we are going ahead. Nobody has seen any such a pineapple laden with cracker and given by a particular person. So department is not going by that theory. The department is keeping the option open. It may be one of the possibility. But right now evidence is not there for such a pineapple and such a cracker.
Okay.
So as you told that it accidentally it might have consumed that jaggery laden cracker which is meant for wild boar. So it may have accidentally taken that and injured itself.
On 24th, the animal was again in that position. Sometimes it was lying down, and one time it was coming up again. But this whole time, 24 hours, there was no, feeding. Like it was trying to look for water here and there. Only that. Then I think on 24th, we got information that the elephant had come down and it came into this stream. They'll do a post-mortem and check what may be the reason, and after that it will be disposed, preferably by burning.
Killing of an elephant in Kerala is shocking. If somebody gives firecrackers in pineapple and they get burst in the mouth, and therefore if elephant dies, this is very cruel and this is not Indian culture. Therefore, we have taken this killing in Kerala very seriously, but this kind of killing is absolutely unacceptable, and we have already deputed our senior officers there, and we will nab the culprits and punish them.
आखिर वो अगर बम रख सकता था अनानास में, तो इसका मतलब प्रोफेशनल बम था। वो प्रोफेशनल बम आप और मैं बैठ करके अपने घर में तो नहीं बना सकते ना, ये तो हम खुद मर जाएंगे। तो इसका मतलब है कहीं मल्लापुरम में 2-3 जगह होंगे जहां कोई बैठ करके कमरे के अंदर बम बना रहे हैं। आज हाथी पर इस्तेमाल किया, आखिर हाथी ने खुद ब खुद तो लिया नहीं, उसको मुंह में घुसेड़ दिया गया ना। तो आज वो बम मारेंगे हाथी पर, कल इंसान पर।
राहुल गांधी भी वहाँ से सांसद हैं, किसी भी तरीके से बयान अभी तक नहीं आया ऐसी घटना को लेकर के उनकी तरफ से।
अब क्या करें, उसको कुछ समझ तो आता नहीं किसी भी चीज़ में। मैं कहती हूँ अगर ये नहीं कि उनकी गलती है कि सुल्तानपुर में, पीलीभीत में जब जानवर मरता है तो हमने तो किया नहीं, लेकिन फ़ौरन ही हम उस पर उपाय ढूंढते फ़ौरन। और ये जानवर मेरा तो नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा ही है, ये मेरी बहन है, ये मेरी बेटी है जो मरी है। और अगर वो सोच समझ करके बोले कभी कभार तो अच्छा होगा।
For the kind of crime that was undertaken against an innocent animal. Ours is a country that has forever ensured that we protect and we preserve the rights of our nature, of our trees, the animal species. For me to see such a crime, I think I'm at a loss for words. And the fact that there are many who say that this has been a trend there, in fact, infuriates me that such things have happened before and nobody in the local administration, or for that matter the state, has considered providing a solution so that innocent animals do not fall prey to such heinous crimes. Rahul Gandhi, when he was the MP from Amethi, never cared for human beings. Do you think that I would have even an iota of expectation from him to care for animals in his new constituency? I have none. But I know from the past experience that now that the entire nation stands in solidarity, is infuriated at what has transpired in the constituency of Wayanad, I'm sure that he will make commiserations or do a tweet or send a message to the Congress party. He reacts only when the nation comes together in fury or in anger. And I'm sure that soon there will be a statement following from Mr. Gandhi.
There are pregnant langurs being killed. There are pregnant nilgai that are being killed. There are pregnant all other species. It's really this is a reminder of the cruelty we do every single day to every single species on earth. Please let us change. Please, this is a moment. This is the time to reflect. If you are horrified by this one incident in Kerala, please consider all the animals you use and abuse and kill every single day.
Shalini Lobo now joins us for the latest on this. Shalini, at the centre, you will see a lot of political back and forth that will take place with the union government blaming, Rahul Gandhi, who happens to, by the way, be a Wayanad MP and has nothing to do with the incident that took place here in this area in Palakkad. Let's leave all of that aside. What about the forest ministry of the state level? What has the state government done? Because putting explosives in pineapple to begin with is illegal in this country.
Well, indeed, Chaiti, as you rightly put it, it is illegal, and even though it was a method that they say is locally used to target the wild boars that come to disrupt their farms, it's still, something that needs to be addressed right now, especially in this case, as a pregnant elephant lost her life to this. Forest officials who spoke to my colleague Gopi Krishnan Unithan have said that an investigation is going on. The incident took place on the 27th of May, and on the 28th of May, a case was filed. However, they have narrowed down their suspects, but the suspects are still at large. They are investigating the matter. Even the Chief Minister has also spoken on the issue, saying that the perpetrators will be brought to book. Now, this incident has stirred a lot of talk about the situation at hand, not just from the politicians in the state, but centre, actors, musicians, and a lot of active and prominent citizens on Twitter as well, on social media. Everyone penning down their thoughts on how this should be stopped. Fruit laden with crackers kept out for animals to consume and die is something that should be put an end to at this very instant. And the state also has said that they will bring the perpetrators to law and they will book them under for this particular case.
All right, Shalini, leave it at that. Thanks for getting us those details. We'll continue updating the story. Keep getting reactions from the state government as well as to why this incident took place and what the state government does to prevent such kind of incidents from happening in the future as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.